Hi, good afternoon everyone. And today is our team building activity by ADM Animal Nutrition. And we had LMS Consulting Company to facilitate our team building program. This is attended by 200 employees across all levels in the organization. And it was such a very inspiring and also engaging activities that were prepared by the LMS company. We did a lot of outdoor activities which also manifested and demonstrated all of the leadership potential of our employees and our colleagues in the organization. What highlighted me in their facilitation is on citing very important concepts and frameworks on leadership and giving our employees some tools as well as handy concepts that they can bring with us when we go back to our respective positions and also our job functions. So one of the highlight is VUCA. Most of our employees might have encountered this concept first time today, but for the rest of the leaders might as well become a refresher. And it helped a lot on understanding what our strategy is and how do we continue to innovate. At the same time, be accountable with the results that we wanted with the shared vision of our company and our organization. So I like to thank Ferdy as our lead facilitator from LMS company together with his co-facilitators and team. They did a fantastic job and we hope to be working with them in the future.